How dare you say anything about me? Pew, pew, pew. But you can look at the color. It looks really good. See the difference we shall have. This is the entry grade RX78, and you can see the difference. This is so adorable. The body, initially I felt like the proportion was a little bit weird. The more I look at it, actually the cuter it becomes. And it is nice that they had the arm and leg as one full piece, so it's really easy to build. Super easy. It's just if I had any feedback for the material, is that it's a lot harder to sand. Right now, next thing we're gonna try is it actually have one more means that you can keep it. The spool method. So how does the spool method go? Is we are gonna dissect it and then we're gonna put it in parts. So let's see how do we go with this. Yay! Super cute build. This is 真的很可爱. If you I don't know, if you feel like building this is definitely a really good build. Yeah, 真的很可爱.